So here we are going to study about MEU. So what is MEU? Medical Education Unit is the nodal body in a medical college responsible for improving teaching learning methods, assessment, faculty development, curriculum implementation, and educational research. It was made mandatory for all medical colleges by MCI, now it is NMC. So the historical evolution, what everyone as HOD everyone should know, not only as head but other faculty also, that in 1976 faculty development in India started with National Teacher Training Center at JIPMA, and Narayana Medical College and Hospital. So you can go and read about it. Then in 1997, MCI Graduate Medical Education Regulation mandated establishment of medical education unit in every medical college happened. Then in 2009, formal faculty development programs started through regional centers. So there were regional centers and they started training faculty development programs. So, or the faculty there. So 2014 advanced course in medical education launched to create educational leaders, because there were no especially that medical people were not trained that how the teaching should be done. So this medical education came, that how it should be done, how it should be conducted, what should be the curriculum, everything should be there, that how the student should be taught. So in 2019 then CBME curriculum introduced nationwide. So it is a curriculum which is competency based medical education, and it was started in 2019. And then MEU it became central to the curriculum implementation, because this curriculum has to be implemented. So the role of medical education unit was really very huge in this. Then 2022 to 2023, NMC issued revised medical education guidelines and clarified roles of MEU and curriculum committee. So this can be seen at this, this is Netaji Subhash Medical College. That if you go to it, I hope you will get this thing in 2022 and 23. There were revised guidelines of medical education units. So this can be seen, revised units of 2022 and 23, where you can see the role of MEU, and where you can see the curriculum committee role. So why this MEU is a burning topic today? NMC inspectors no longer focus on infrastructure and faculty members. Current emphasis is on the CBME implementation, is there or not, ADCOM activities happening or not, faculty training status, what is that status, because if teacher is good, if curriculum is okay, then I think everything is okay for them. Faculty training status, assessment quality, student feedback, documentation of teaching learning activities, curriculum committee functioning, educational innovations, attendance monitoring, educational research activities. So these all things are there. Many college they perform well clinically but receive observation because academic documentation and MEU activities are weak. So if you are not sending all these things to them, they may ask for it. So what is the role of an HOD in MEU? So as HOD, faculty development is very important. Ensure whether faculty attend RBCW or basic course workshop. So your all faculty should have done this course. Encourage ACME or the fellowship training, so advanced medical education courses there, so we should encourage our faculty to do this. Then curriculum planning, align the department teaching with CBME, and then prepare yearly teaching schedule. Assessment is blueprint examination, maintain validity and reliability of assessment, introduce workplace based assessment. So for assessment, blueprint examinations should be there, maintain the validity and reliability, and then introduce the workplace based assessment. So where they are doing it, what all they are doing, according to that assessment should be done. So now how you are going to document it: maintain the records of lectures, then SDL session, then integrated teaching, ADCOM session, internal assessment, and then after assessment feedback report is very important. So the student support is mentoring activities, remedial classes, how you can support the student. So mentor mentee program is there. Remedial classes should be done, academic counseling. So all these things is given in the medical education guideline. I will find it out and show it to you. Then educational research, promote the publication and project in the medical education. If you are head of the department, if you are any faculty, then you should do this in your department. Important committees you should interact with. So if you are head of the department, then remain actively involved with medical education unit, curriculum committee, assessment committee, research committee, ADCOM committee, internal quality assurance cell is there, and NBH and C committees are there. So these are the various committees which should be there in the college, and these should be kept on us interacting with. If you have any queries or something, then documents every HOD should read. So if you are the head of the department, then you should take care of CBME curriculum document for UGs, ADCOM module, NMC MEU guideline, revised basic workshop manual, assessment module. This I will open and will provide you on this. For PG teaching, postgraduate medical education regulation, so there are some regulations for them, they should be read. EPA and competency based PG training concept, something is there, so that should be read. So these are the documents which I am going to open on this and will show you. Practical questions like NMC inspectors may ask you like what competencies are taught in your department, how are they assessed, how is the feedback provided, how do you conduct SDL, how many faculty are trained in RBCW, how do you mentor struggling students, what educational innovations have you introduced, show departmental teaching plans, show lesson plans, show assessment blueprints, and show feedback analysis and corrective actions. So key educational terms you must know. These terms appear repeatedly in medical education discussion, and CBME means competency based medical education. ADCOM means attitude, ethics, and communication in medical education. SDL means self directed learning. Early clinical exposure means clinical orientation from the first year. Then they should know everything with clinical orientation. Then integrated teaching means multi-departmental teaching, alignment teaching linked to competency, blueprinting mapping questions to competencies, formative assessment, assessment for learning, summative assessment, assessment of learning, um, that is assessment of learning, that is assessment for learning. Okay, so there is difference. Workplace based assessment means real life competency assessment. Reflection means students learning diary. So this all you should be knowing in detail. Then what activities can your department start immediately? Like if you are in microbiology department, then for UG case based discussion should be done, infection control simulation should be done, antimicrobial stewardship exercises should be made, SDL on AMR. Then for PG's journal club should be there, teaching skill workshop should be there, mini CEX, DOPS and reflection logs should be there. Then for faculty, monthly teaching skill meeting should be done so that they can be improved. Assessment blueprint review, how you are taking assessment, so there should be you keep doing that, whether it can be improved or not. Then educational research projects, so how should you keep yourself updated? For that there is an MC website and you can see the link here. Follow the journals like medical teacher, BMC medical education, academic medicine, these can be followed. And then courses like ACME, FAMER Fellowship, Advanced Health Professions Education Program, monthly reading habit like one NMC circular, one medical education paper, and one assessment related article. If one is going to read all these things, certainly it is going to upgrade the knowledge. Um for you, if you are any subject teacher and if you are the head, then you focus on 5 areas: competency mapping of MBBS teaching, assessment blueprinting, faculty training status, RBCW or ACME of the faculty, documentation of the teaching learning activities should be there, educational research and innovation is there. So you can make the record of all these 5 points and you can start with any of the one. If you wish, I can, this is something which how this can be done. So we can go in detail one by one for it, and I can open the site in the next one for myself, and I will put it on the this thing just with the help of chat gpt or the internet sites. And if it is useful for you, please go and check, and you can subscribe for such recordings in future. Thank you.